Hello you guys, it's Nava Rose and welcome back to a brand new episode of We Got Renew Upcycle. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to upcycle this basic sweater into a cute Halloween outfit. So the first thing we're going to do with this sweater is we are going to make a heart because we are going to make this into a really cute voodoo doll outfit. And with some pink felt, just fold it in half. You don't need it to be too big. What I like to do is just cut a shape first, and then I go back in and cut out the top part of the heart. So now you're gonna glue this, but if you wanna glue everything together, I'm gonna just show you guys how to make the stitching on the heart. Cut a really skinny strip of black felt, and then I'm gonna cut 1-inch pieces from that strip of black felt. So all you do is lay out the stitches like this. So now that you have everything placed, you could go ahead and glue this down. And these don't have to be placed in a specific way. It could honestly be as clean or as messy as you like, but because it is a voodoo doll, it's pretty messy. So we're just gonna copy that look. So now that this is drying, we're gonna work on the big oversized pin, which is one of my favorite parts. To make this oversized pin, I'm using a really big chopstick and a mini foam ball. I'm gonna make an indent in here, and I'm gonna stick the top of this chopstick into this foam ball. Now we're gonna paint the top of the ball. So I'm using some blue turquoise paint. You can actually work as the glue is drying. So to make the pin silver, I'm using this silver aluminum tape. Just fit the tape onto the chopstick and make sure it's flush onto it. Because this is a waffle knit sweater, just find one of the holes, poke it through, make sure it comes out the other end. You have your final voodoo doll sweater.